Hello guys and welcome to this new Unreal Engine tutorial, and today I will show you how to make an explosive mine system. So guys, what you need to do is to create a blueprint class as an actor. You will create a new actor, okay guys, and you name it mine like that. Okay guys, for the visuals guys, you can add component and add a static mesh like this, and you select your static mesh, whatever you want. Okay, I have already done this here. So this is my static mesh, and this is my actor. Now guys, also we need to create a sphere. This is a sphere collision. We do this by click on the static mesh and add component, sphere collision. You have your sphere here. Okay, you put it at the center of your static mesh. This is the sphere that is going to handle the collision with the character. Okay, guys. So this is mine. You put it in the center. Okay. Also, guys, make sure that the collision settings of your static mesh are set as no collision. Okay. And for the sphere, set it as overlay all. For the physics, you need to add radial force component. Add component radial force. This is it. This is radial force that you're going to use. For the settings of the radial force, you can add the radius, which is the area where the impulse and the physics are going to be applied. So for me, I have set it as 300. The object type to affect, it's simple. So for me, I have keep it as default. My pawn object type are already affected. It's important because my characters object types are pounds, sorry. Okay guys, also for the impulse, which is the straight of the impulse, you need to set it as 1000 or greater or less. It's up to you. And don't forget to check the impulse velocity change, and you click compile. Okay, guys, now for the blueprint. Okay, we are going to use the event actor and overlay because the mine explodes where we remove our legs from. Okay, guys, so event and overlay, event actor and overlay. This is the event that we are going to use, and then we use the node sphere actor overlay. This is it. This is the node that we are the node which will tell us what are the actors near the mine. Okay, guys. For the setting of this node, so sphere position. This is the center of the explosion. Let's say static mesh. We will drag the static mesh and get our location. Okay, guys. We toggle this here. The sphere radius, this is the area. Okay, we set it as we done with the radial force, 300. You can put 300 or 350, doesn't matter, it's up to you. For the object types, guys, this is we need to specify what kind of object the sphere overlay actor node is going to interact with. We drag this here, promise to variable, and now we have this variable. Okay, for me, I had this one before, but for the tutorial, this is it. You compile and you click on plus, and here, because your character is a pound, you click pound. Now the sphere actor overlay actor will detect the pounds actors. Okay, guys, great. For the actor class, just ignore it. Actors to ignore. This is the actor. For example, if you want your character not be affected with the explosion, you just add your character. You promise to variable compile in the actor to in your variable. You click add, and here you can add your character. Okay, guys, the type of your character. Okay, great. Just delete this, compile, and then we carry on. After the sphere overlay actors, we need to use a for each loop node for each loop node and link out actors to array. And now here we have every actor that the sphere overlay actors has detected. And now we need to cast to our characters. Okay, for me it is UE for ASP character like this. Now every every character blueprint will be will be detected, and also for a mine is going to apply damage to our character. Remember that we have created the damage system before in previous videos. Check it on. So you can drag this here and search for the event damage like this. Mine, guys, is deadly. So the life damage of my character is 100. I will put this 200 in order to be sure that my character is dead. This is what I have done here, guys. Okay, now every actor, if it is a pawn and the blueprint character here, I cast to an US for ASP character is going to be damaged with 200 points. Okay, when it is completed, so I insist, guys, the loop body here is very fast, so every character is going to have a damage instantaneously. Okay, we don't have a delay between each character, so the loop body will affect every blueprint character instantly in the same time. Okay, but when it is completed, what we need to have we need to have an effect, okay, for the visual for visuals, an effect, a sound, and also an impulse, the impulse that will propulse every character away from the location of the mine. So I delete this. In the complete, we drag the radial force and we search for fire impulse. This way the radial force will trigger an impulse, and will have our physics. In order to have a physics on our character, guys, we need to enable the physics. Actually, this is a ragdoll. You can check my previous video to see how to make a ragdoll on our character. We have some settings to do. It's not hard, just check the video. Okay, guys, then we triggered the impulse. Also, we need to spawn an emitter at location. The location will be the mine location. Also, in my case, I have chosen this effect here. You can choose your own effect, it doesn't matter. And also, in the end, we need to destroy the mine, the actor. Okay, guys, so you use the node destroy actor, and that's all. Now, guys, if you walk on the mine, you and every actor near the mine in the radius of 350. I hit on a mine and I stepped on the mine, and now if I move, oh, everyone is dead. You can see the effect of the ragdoll, which is I think it's pretty much beautiful. You can have your own ragdoll effect. Just see my previous video. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and see you in further tutorials.